friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we enable color correction in our Samsung phone, and after enable guys how can you use guys your color correction setting in your Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to enable color correction guys, tap here and guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, scroll guys, click on your accessibility setting. Let's click on your visibility setting. Then again scroll guys, you can see color correction guys. You can use guys your color correction mode setting from here. Guys, we will enable from this right side, and guys you can see this color change guys. You can change guys your color also guys. This color, this sky color, black and white color, you can change. Like that guys, we will change into this. So friends, you can see guys your color correction setting guys, your icon color and guys your skin color will change. So like that guys, you can enable your color correction mode setting in your Samsung phone and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.